What a pity we have to die. Hisa?
Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona wewe Songa libara Oh ye
No, Bulby, man. It not shock you. It not shock you, man.
Yo, chop bondo tian, man. Bondo tian, man. What you say not shock me? Yo, listen to me, man. Cosino, man. Chop on.
Hello.
Ayaw di ma
Hola, Carlos. Hello.
All the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
God have mercy upon us.
Tell you what happened to me yesterday. Me got to church and they run me out of church yesterday. Run me out.
How make they run you out?
Alright, before me tell you what make them run me out. You know say opposite a cook is raw. Opposite a cook a raw. So me in the church I give me testimony. And me I tell them say your soul have to cook in order to go to heaven. You understand? The soul have to cook. No raw soul can't go to heaven. Yeah. I mean I say no raw soul can enter the kingdom of God. The soul have to cook. And like they run me out for.
Right.
mean serve me right. But me not wrong. No raw soul can't go heaven. But if you go in front, go turn up in front of God with your raw soul. Your soul have to cook. You know how to see God's face. You know that? You better know.
Can't fly far away until left me with a broken heart, and he have to part. I want a white princess in the palace. No malice. Like the gas stove, no palace. In the palace, no go in no malice. The boy can't take number one third dance. The boy can't be in one number one dance. The boy gone. Walk boy gone. Far away. I'm buried in a dark room. By himself. Me say boy happy gone far away. And she left me with a broken heart. We have to part.
You not dead. Me not dead. Come here right for do what me I do. Me not dead. Me not come for dead.
But you must say I got the nerves and make it dead.
No, you not make me dead. But that hit cause a problem. I know TikTok me it fat hole.
But TikTok money I do everything.
Then how me do me work? I want me I work here.
But some people and girl, money get girl off a TikTok with you.
Me no want
no girl off a TikTok.
No, me no want no kill this girl. Me no kill this man.
So me I say Zane, how me call you Zane? I say, yeah man, me a come man. I don't know who I talk to you. That man, you don't know who I talk to you. And I say hello, you know who this no? You start to
then you me I tell you. Where you say now? What me I figure out you know, whether TikTok money me I figure out.
Eh?
I figure out.
You love TikTok money?
Then me not figure out see me.
No, but I ask if I love TikTok money.
But me I figure out see me.
You're not going to done it work.
Oh, you mean
be
man?
a TikTok.
No more.
Oh, yeah, green street.
Aye. I figure out, man. You know. I was say that we can me. They want to go look for me now, man.
One Jamaican vendors think that you're a foreigner.
Hello there, sir. Excuse me. Yes. How much is it for your mackerels, innit?
For your mackerel them?
Yeah, that's what I said. I simply said how much is it for your mackerels?
Oh.
Yeah, innit?
Give me 5,000 now and
5,000 for what? Yeah, idiot. Yeah, idiot, bad man.
A joke.
What's that thing? Hey, boy.
Hey, man, big up yourself.
Hey, some man born and growing a fool. I want to hear that.
Yeah, big up yourself, man. I hate you. Health is wealth, yeah?